Welcome to our channel. Reading greens accurately is essential for consistent putting. These systematic approaches help you identify break and speed correctly. Step 1. Develop a consistent green reading routine starting from behind the ball. Survey the overall slope, identify high and low points, and notice which direction water would flow. Step 2. Check the slope from multiple angles. Walk to the low side of the hole and look back toward your ball. This perspective often reveals break invisible from behind the ball. Step 3. Observe your partner's putts from similar lines. Watch how much their balls break and at what speed they roll. This information informs your own read. Step 4. Feel the slope with your feet as you walk to the hole. Your body senses subtle breaks your eyes might miss. Trust this kinesthetic information. Step 5. Consider grain direction on certain grass types. Bermuda grass particularly affects roll. Shiny grass indicates downhill grain, while dull appearance shows uphill grain. Step 6. Account for green speed when determining break. Faster greens magnify break, while slower surfaces minimize movement. Adjust your aim point based on speed. Step 7. Pick a specific spot where you want to start your ball rather than a vague area. Precision in aim translates to precision in execution. Step 8. Trust your initial read. Overanalyzing creates doubt and tentative strokes. Commit to your line and stroke confidently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.